Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create table of contents in WordPress without a plugin. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com. Then simply log into your WordPress account, and this is the home page you're going to see. In the home page, you can see over here the quick links option. Below it is the edit site option. Click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the editors page of WordPress. As you can see over here, after you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, we're going to focus on the left hand side over here. Here's a plus icon which says block inserter. Click on the block inserter and search for list. As you can see over here, this is the list option. Click on the list option and add it to your WordPress page. As you can see, my list has been added. Now just simply put in what you want to put in the list. As you can see, I'm adding home, about us, and everything. Now let's focus on the list option. Above the list option, you can see various options which symbolize there is a symbol that says link. Click on the link symbol and actually paste the URL link of that website or that page you want to direct this link. By directing this, if anyone clicks on about us, they will be directed to that page. And the WordPress actually creates a URL automatically to, like, if you click it, you can go to that website. So after that, you just have to paste that link over here, and after you are done pasting the link, just simply click on save and your actions will be saved permanently. And that is how actually you create a table of contents in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.